more, me have TV on my yard, me have to come at halfway tree because you're so lively.
It's impossible for him now win. You don't be a madman if you say him now win.
I have no doubt. I'm 100% sure.
I believe that Usain Bolt is going to bring it home tonight as usual.
Bolt all the way. Go.
Bolt all the way, you don't know.
Nobody know there to test him. Okay? Yes. Nobody is there to test him.
If Bolt no win, my mother turn man and my mother can't be man, so Bolt have to win.
I believe that God is there with him and he's able to do the thing through Christ.
Usain Bolt is going to deliver and he's going to beat that Canadian. Usain Bolt!
Gold medal again, Mr. Bolt. And we now set no record until we got 4x1 here. So good night.
Usain Bolt to the world.
Usain Bolt!
I love Jamaica.
You love Jamaica? Lovely, lovely!
I want to big up to the big man who come from Chilani, on the young banana dumpling we eat and we let us strong.
Big up Usain Bolt, the world champion and the Olympic champion to the world.
I love the race. I love the 3 title. I love the 3 goal, everything.
Best thing ever happened to Jamaica right about now. Put you further up on the map. Big up!
It's the wonderful night in Tree. I'm really proud of Usain Bolt. He do it and will never stop doing it. Usain Bolt to the world. Everyone enjoying themselves. He put Jamaica on top of the world and Usain Bolt is great and greater. He's now the real doctorate honorable Usain Bolt to the world.
Usain Bolt are the fastest man. Usain Bolt are #1. Usain Bolt are champion.
You don't know, say we say Bolt long time. Bolt are we champion, you know, say long time. He must up the world, me say long time. And a joke to me say long time. When we tell the time name again, long time.